Good morning, guys. I have decided to do Vlogmas again. It has been a long time since I've done a Vlogmas, but I did get asked by a long time follower. So it was Madam_Francis_93 who asked me if I was doing Vlogmas. I feel like that's exactly the kind of motivation that I needed to figure out what kind of content I was going to be doing this December, because I have a lot going on, and so fitting in sit down videos would be kind of difficult. So why not share with you what I get up to? And today is going to be a particularly busy day. I have to go into Dijon, where they've just set up the Christmas market, and I have to go to Beaune for a specialist appointment. And it's such a beautiful historic city that I think you guys would love, and I'm planning to, hopefully, if I have time, walk to the appointment through the city. So I will show you guys a bit of the city while I'm there. But for the moment, I am setting my hair and watching my new favorite YouTube channel, which is one of my best friends in the world, Gaby, who I did my podcast season with. If you haven't listened to it, I will link it down below. But she and her girlfriend have just started a van life channel. They bought a motorhome and they are traveling around Australia in it and uploading videos of their adventures. And they have Gaby's 18-year-old cat with them, who is like a dog and goes everywhere that they go. It's really cute. It's not just because she's one of my best friends that I love it. Like, it's genuinely very well made. She is a filmmaker. She was a theatre director and owner for many years. So like, the standard is very good for a new channel. You guys are gonna like it, I think. It has been such a long time since I have done my hair with twisty curlers. I think probably because it's been short and it's not, like, it makes your hair very curly. So if I do that to my hair when it's too short, I just end up with like Shirley Temple hair. It's not really what I'm going for. But I know when my hair is longer, I love the outcome of twisty curlers. So twisty rollers, twisty curlers. That's just what I call them. I'm not sure that that's actually their official name. Okay, there we go. Hair is done. Got the little Lulu in the background. You guys can't see. He's asleep on the bed next to me. Follows me everywhere. I was in Australia for a couple of months recently, and so he's got the like stick like glue syndrome since I came back. He actually desperately needs a bath, so I might do that this morning. I'll have a little bit of time because he really needs it. Lulu, is it bath time? Louie, do you need a bath? He hates a bath time. No, you hate it. I know. He loves to go crazy afterwards on the towel. Huh? Is that good? Is that good? Alright. That feel better? Or clean now? Yes. Yes. Come and show Val how handsome you are. Where's Val? Show Val. So now that Lulu's all washed, I need to do my makeup, pick what I'm going to wear, and I'm going to head into Dijon. So I'll take you guys with me. I have been wanting to try the Erin Parsons lip liner technique to make sure that your lipstick doesn't budge during the day, because she wears like a glossy lip and she swears that it doesn't go anywhere when she does it this way. So she starts by powdering her lips. So I'm going to do that. Then she lines them. Gotta say, it is much easier to line them when they're powdered. Okay, then she powders them again. And applies the liner again. And then she applies her gloss. So I guess we'll see if it stays put. Time to take my hair out. We'll see whether or not these have actually been in long enough to do anything, because it's only been like an hour and a bit. It's not too bad. Let's see how we go. I'm of course running late because I completely forgot how much extra time it takes to vlog and do. So I don't have time to go into Dijon and show you the Christmas market yet, but after my appointment I'm meeting my sister-in-law to see Wicked, so I'll be in town then, so I'll show you later on. What I can show you a bit of is Beaune, which is a beautiful city, about 20 minutes train ride outside of Dijon. Has amazing wine and a beautiful rich history, great food obviously being in Burgundy. So I'm going to show you around a little bit and I'll tell you a little bit about why you should visit.
Beaune is a small town of 31 kilometers square in the Burgundy region of France, known as the wine capital of Burgundy, with the viticultural history of the town dating back to Roman times. It is even on the UNESCO World Heritage List for its importance in the history of French wine. As you walk the outskirts of the old town, you will see the remnants of the battlements, ramparts and the moat. And the town centre boasts numerous beautiful architectural details typical of the Burgundy region. Although I didn't visit them today, it is well worth putting the Hospice de Beaune, Les Halles and Beffroi clock tower on your itinerary when you visit, to marvel at the beautiful Renaissance style of the buildings. France's main wine auction is held annually at Beaune, this year auctioning a massive 14.4 million euros worth of wine.
Okay, I'm back in Dijon. I'm a little bit early, so I'm going to head to Sephora, where I tried to go in Beaune, but they didn't have what I was looking for. And I gotta say, even with the rainy weather, Dijon is putting on a show for you guys. I'm back home now. The movie was long. We started watching it at, well, you know, watching trailers before the movie at 6:20, and I didn't get home till like 10:30, maybe even later. So yeah, what did I think of the movie? Look, I am a singer, so I'm always going to love Wicked for the music. That's why I fell in love with it in the first place. That's why I went and saw the movie. Well, to be fair, I went and saw the movie because Ariana Grande was in it. Let's be honest. First and foremost, it was that, because I am an Ariana Grande fan, not of her music, but of her vocals. She is a phenomenal vocalist. And through the advertising for the film, I discovered Cynthia Erivo, who is just like so well cast in this film. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I was never a massive Wicked fan of the musical, if we're being completely honest, and I know I'm not the only person that thinks this, Great music. Terrible storyline. It is a very, very shallow storyline about topics that it just deals with very poorly. And I think Cynthia Erivo brought something to her role as a woman of colour that finally gave that character some substance. Some of her best moments in that film, she wasn't even speaking and she wasn't even singing, and she's a fantastic actress and a fantastic vocalist, but she was just incredible, honestly. And so was Ariana Grande. The problem with Ariana Grande in this movie is that she's playing Galinda, and Galinda's character is one-dimensional. It was written one-dimensional. There's nothing she can do about that. She gets really fun songs, she sings really well, she gets to dance, she gets to do comedy, which she's very talented at. But let's face it, there is no substance to the character of Galinda, and you don't care about Galinda because there is no backstory about her, so that's the problem with Wicked, and I feel like it was already a musical that dragged, and then this movie tried to fix it by making it even longer, but I wouldn't say they very successfully filled it in. 3 hours was way too long. But did I love almost every second that I was watching it? Yes. Was the singing phenomenal? Yes. Was the acting phenomenal despite the lack of substance to work with? Yes. Was the dancing and the set and the costuming phenomenal? Yes, yes, yes. Would I recommend seeing it? Yes. I definitely enjoyed the movie, and it was lovely to see my sister-in-law, and just, yeah, it was a good end to the day. So I'm going to enjoy my cup of tea. I'm going to watch a little bit of YouTube, as I like to do in the evenings, and I'm going to go to sleep because it was a big day with a lot of walking and I'm tired.